Let's talk poetry. Let's talk about the poems of Keats. Show how Keats celebrates or glorifies nature. It should be noted that Keats sees beauty in everything concerning nature. It could also be show that Keats is inspired by pastoral setting. Pastoral comes from the word pasture, which means grass. Into autumn, Keats focuses on the fruitfulness of nature in autumn and the beauty that accompanies it. Literally, autumn is considered or is associated with death and decay. It's a season of death, decay. But Keats keeps away this side of autumn and instead associates it with its fruitfulness and abundance. As the trees hang with fruits hanging right down, abundance. He associates it with work. People working on the field to harvest and bring the goods into the warehouse. And the atmosphere that he portrays about autumn is that which is peaceful and calm. He shows that apart from death and decay, which people always associate autumn to, autumn is also a season that can be glorified by its fruitfulness and abundance. Keats emphasizes that autumn is as beautiful as spring because there is beauty in each season. The poem highlights the diversity and beauty of nature through its season. To him, autumn has nothing to envy about other seasons because it has its own beauty, which is characterized by abundance and fruitfulness. On the grasshopper and the cricket, Keats focuses on the diversity of nature through its seasons. The summer is very hot and it leaves creatures exhausted because of the scorching sun. Winter brings cold, sending creatures into their holes into hibernation. Nevertheless, these seasons still bring joy and happiness into the lives of men through their songs. The different insects used in the poem symbolize the different seasons. During autumn, the grasshopper sings, hops around. And when autumn goes to an end and spring approaches or winter comes in, and all the other elements of nature go into hiding or into hibernation, the cricket takes over the singing. Keats therefore focuses on the continuity in nature and its diversity. Nature remains unaffected despite the change of seasons. And therefore the poem focuses on the beauty of nature through the change of seasons, its creatures, and the different songs like that of the grasshopper during summer and the cricket during winter. In La Belle Dame Sans Merci, the setting is very pastoral on a hillside near the lake, where the sedges withered and no birds sing, which may epitomize the fact that the poem is set in autumn. By the line, the squirrel's granary is full. That's to show that harvesting has just taken place, and the harvest has been stored in the warehouse. The beauty of the field through which the knight had ridden with the fairest daughter all day is very important as she bends to sing to him sweet songs. And at the end of the day, she takes him into her elfin grot in the cave, where she lulls him to sleep and feeds him with honey. The use of season in this poem highlights the joy and pain that are inherent in love in human life and experience. In short, the poet wants to make us understand that in love there is happiness, but at the same time there is pain. Pain because the night is standing lonely, looking pale by the cold hillside, feeling the absence of his lover. Happiness because he had had a wonderful day riding with the Pharaoh's daughter all through the field, and with her singing beautiful and melodious songs. In On the Sea, Keats is concerned about the diversity of nature. The sea can be very dangerous and wild, that it can swallow gallons of water. But it can also be very gentle, that it can allow a shell to stand on the same spot unmoved. He also focuses on the beauty of the sea, which has healing properties. And he recommends that those who are suffering from life's problems like stress, melancholy, should go by the seaside. And just watching at the sea and being blown by the gentle breeze, they will find healing in their bodies and in their souls. To him, the sea is not just an adversary. The sea is also gentle, thereby indicating the diverse nature of nature itself. In poems of Keats, make sure that you get the right interpretation and make sure that you get the right choices of the poems that are to be used for justification. By the end, I am going to do a classification for you on the various themes and the various poems that will fall on the various themes depending on the question that you have been asked. Thank you for watching this video. Click on the like button, leave us a comment. Please leave us a comment. Share the video with your friend and also share the link which you have to your friends. Thank you for making this channel grow bigger and bigger every day. Thank you very much.